The general solution of d square pi by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r of x. The type of the equation can be solved by the method of variation of parameters. In this, the working rule is first the given equation can be expressed in the form of f of d into y equal to r of x only. That no worry about that. It is the step one. From this, we can find out the complementary function. Take the auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. For solving of this function, we get the roots. Then this is only two roots. Why? Because it is the quadratic differential equation. That is only second degree differential equation. In this, we are getting the complementary function yc equal to c1 u of x plus c2 v of x. c1 some function of x plus c2 some function of x. But that function c1 coefficient is can be taken as u of x plus c2 coefficient is v of x. This is the first step of the complementary function. It is the part of the solution of the second degree differential equation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, the second step we can take yp is equal to a of x into u of x plus b of x into v of x. This is the particular integral. In this, to find parameters, here the parameters are a of x and b of x. Those can be found out by the formula that is equal to a of x equal to minus v of x into r of x dx by u v dash minus v u dash. That is nothing but here u of x equal to u, v of x equal to v, du by dx equal to u dash, dv by dx equal to v dash. We can take in the determinant, that is the Raskin function, u, v, u dash, v dash, and the determinant means u, v dash minus u dash v. So here in the denominator, u v dash minus v u dash. Here the another parameter is d of x equal to integral u of x into r of x dx by u v dash minus v u dash. By using of these parameters, we can find out AB functions. Those functions can be substituted in the YP. That is the above assumption. This is the second step. The third step is the general solution of d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r is y equal to yc plus yp. So here y equal to c1u plus c2v plus au plus bv is the required general solution of the given second order differential equation. Okay, this is the working rule. Here no need to solve the total how to find out this one. The method will not come in the examination, only the problems are come in the examination.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
just you write down these steps, then we can discuss. Solution. In this only they mention the method variation of parameters. Apply the method of variation of parameters to solve the given equation d square y by dx square plus y equal to cosec x. First we can write the given equation. The given equation is d square y by dx square plus y is equal to cosec x. Let it be equation 1. Equation 1 can be expressed in the operator form. Operator form is f of d into y is equal to r of x. Here we can take, but the formula is expressed in r of x only. If you take q of x, then in the place of r of x, you write the q of x. But here this is d square plus 1 into y is equal to cosec x. Here f of d is equal to d square plus 1, r of x is equal to cosec x. To find the complementary function by using the auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0. Here that is m square plus 1 equal to 0. From this, m square equal to minus 1, it is I square. M equal to plus or minus r. The complementary function is yc equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Yc is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. It is comparing with c1 u of x plus c2 v of x. Here u of x equal to cos x, v of x equal to sin x. Next here find out the derivative. U dash of x equal to minus sin x, v dash of x equal to cos x. Next, to find out u v dash minus v u dash is equal to u v dash. It is cos square x minus into minus plus sin square x. It is equal to 1. So u v dash minus v u dash is equal to 1. Next, take yp is equal to a of x u of x plus b of x v of x, where a of x is equal to minus integral. A is a combination of u, but here in the a, we are by u v dash minus v u dash dx, and b is equal to integral u r dx by u v dash minus v u dash. Here a of x equal to minus integral v is, here what is v? Sin x. Sin x into cosec x dx. In the denominator it is 1 minus integral sin x into 1 by cosec x is 1 by sin x dx. Sin x cancel. It is equal to minus integral 1 dx equal to minus x. B of x equal to integral u is cos x into cosec x by 1 dx. It is equal to integral cos x into 1 by sin x dx. We know that cot x dx is log of sin x. Sin x equal to t, cos x dx equal to d. 1 by t dt is log t, t is the sin t. So here we found a and b. Next we can write in the particular integral, that is, therefore yp equal to minus x cos x plus sin x into log of sin x. B is log of sin x, V is sin x. Okay, this is yp. The general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. From this, y equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Yp is minus x cos x plus sin x into log of sin x. This is the required general solution of given equation by the method of variation of the parameter. Okay, this is the method of the variation of the parameter. The method of variation of parameters, the first one, d square plus a square into y equal to tan ax, and same here, write in the operator form. This is also d square plus 4 into y is equal to tan 2x. In this, a is here in the place of 4, we can write 2 square. So here also a only 2. And this is also sec ax, sec 3x, x sin x, cosec 3x. Here just you can observe d square plus a square. What is a is there, that will come in the secant tan cosec. That is the thing. Just here method of the variation of the parameters means, just first of all we can find out the complementary function, that is y equal to yc plus yc. That yc can be expressed in the form of c1 u of x plus c2 v of x. Next, find out the u dash and v dash, then taking the determinant u v dash minus v u dash, we are getting some value. Next, to take the yp, that is yp equal to a u of x plus b v of x. Here a and b are the functions of x only. Here these a and b are the parameters. Those are the formula expressed as minus integral v of x into r of x dx by u v dash minus v u dash. B is equal to integral u of x r of x by u v dash minus v u dash into dx. From this, we can find the a and b values. Those are substitute in yp. Then the last, the general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. That is c1 u of x plus c2 v of x plus a u of x plus b v of x. Just here you can take, you can observe these all values. Here the expression of these all values are in the complementary only. Suppose you can take d square plus a square. It is f of d. From this, you are getting that yc is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Here u is cos ax, v is sin ax. U dash is equal to minus sin ax, v dash is equal to ax into a cos ax. You find out the u v dash minus v u dash equal to a only. In the previous problem we got 1, here a will got. If it is 4, then we get the 2. If it is 9, then we get the 3. That is the thing. Why? Because the differentiation of cos 3x is 3 minus 3 sin 3x. Sin 3x differentiation is 3 cos 3x. The 3 is the multiple. After the multiplying, we get only 3. If it is 9, 3. If it is 4, 2. Okay. Just here, the sin 3x and cos 3x, it is very easy to solve the problem. But here, little bit tough feel in the tan 2x or tan ax. Just I can discuss that method. Here only yp I want to discuss. In this, yp is equal to a cos ax plus b sin ax. It is for d square plus a square into y is equal to tan ax. Here yc is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. This is yc. Then take yp equal to a cos ax plus b sin ax. Here a equal to minus integral vr by uv dash minus vu dash dx. b equal to integral ur dx by uv dash minus vu dash. Already we found that uv dash minus vu dash is equal to a only. Then a equal to minus integral. Here u of x it is v of x. This is sin ax. Next, what is this? Tan ax, r of x. Tan ax dx whole by a. It is equal to minus 1 by a. Then here we can write integral of sin ax. Tan ax means sin ax by cos ax into dx. Here it is equal to minus 1 by a sin square ax by cos ax dx. In the place of sin square, we can write 1 minus cos square ax by cos ax whole dx. It is equal to minus 1 by a. Write the separate integration, that is integral of 1 by cos ax dx minus integral cos square ax by cos ax dx. It is equal to minus 1 by a into integral. It is secant ax dx. 1 cos cancel. It is minus integral cos ax dx. Here a equal to minus 1 by a. What is the formula of secant ax? 1 by a log of secant ax plus tan ax. Okay. Next, cos ax integration is sin ax minus sin ax by a. Just here, don't confuse about the integral of secant ax. You remember that one. Then a
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal to minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus tan ax minus into minus plus 1 by a into a square sin ax. This is the a. The same way find out b. B is easy. B equal to integral. What is u? U is cos ax tan ax by a dx. It is equal to integral cos ax 1 by a right outside.
Into
Tan
sin
means sin ax by cos ax dx. Cos ax cancel. Integration means minus sin. Integration is minus cos ax by a into a square.
square.
It is b. Now the yp is a, that is minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus tan ax plus 1 by a square sin ax whole cos ax. B is minus 1 by a square cos ax sin ax. It is yp. Therefore, y equal to yc. Yc is c1 cos
First is
ax plus c2 sin ax. Yp is minus 1 by
brackets
a square log of secant ax plus tan ax into cos ax min plus 1 by a square sin ax cos ax minus 1 by a square cos ax sin ax. These two will get cancelled. So what is the general solution?
C1 cos AX plus C2 sin AX.
C1 cos ax plus C2 sin ax minus cos ax by a square log of
Log
secant ax plus tan ax is the
AX.
required general
solution.
solution. This is here b, any one of the constant we get, that is the parameter we get easily. Another one, if it is tan, just here most of the students did mistake. Integral of secant ax, they can stop there only, but it's very simple, very easy method also.